Okay, so this topic we're talking about function machines. It was a developing topic in the last um, part of the quarter, but now it's a mastery topic. So function machines are just a way of listing like some job that a function does. So if you look at letter A here, f of x is equal to negative 2x plus 4. You can't see that very well on my screen, but if you look at problem 155, you'll see it much better. And what they're saying is that they're putting negative 3 in for x. So in this A problem, they're putting a negative 3 in for x. And they're saying, well, what's going to come out? What that means is just you would plug in negative 3 for x. So you'd have negative 2 times negative 3 plus 4. Negative 2 times negative 3 is a positive 6. So 6 plus 4 is 10, so a 10 would come out. So you can try B, C, D, and E because those are very similar. But when it comes to problem F, um, it's a little bit different here. So if you just look over here at problem F, here they're saying what has to be put in order to get out a 99. Okay. So I see that the rule here is that x is squared and then I subtract 1. Okay, so whatever I plug in for x, it gets squared and then 1 gets subtracted and 99 has to come out. So then I start thinking to myself, okay, some number when I square it and then subtract 1 is going to give me 99. So I might think, well, I know 100 minus 1 is 99. Or something like that if I don't want to algebraically work it out, and then just start thinking about when x squared equals 100. Okay, because x squared would have to be 100 in order for that to happen. And I see that when 10 is squared, it's 100, so maybe 10 is one of the answers for R. But also, if I take negative 10 and square it, I get 100. So there's going to be two answers for that one. There's 10 and there's negative 10. So I would encourage you to go check out more of those and double check your answers. I do also want to just point out problem D here because it has a square root in it, which I noticed is another mastery topic. So when I plug in negative 2, here it's saying that I'm supposed to plug in negative 2 for the x, but the function is that square root of x plus 1. Well, if I try to take the square root of negative 2, the square root of negative 2 is not a real number. And so I can't actually do that. So this is impossible. And so just to let you know that some of them turn out to be that way. So go ahead and give those a try and let me know if you have any more questions on them. But otherwise, good luck.